Sebastian is a monkey in the jungles of South America. He loves to climb to the top of the trees and hang out with his friends, the birds. Sebastian loves to watch his bird friends fly in the sky. One day, while watching the birds, he wondered if all birds fly like his tropical friends. He decided to call his scientist friend, Gala Einstein, to see if he could help. Gala Einstein was in his lab observing his incubator full of chicken eggs when Sebastian called. He was happy to use his powerful computer to help Sebastian learn more about birds while he waited for the baby chicks to be born. A bird is an animal that has wings, a beak, and feathers. Most birds live in nests, which are usually made of twigs and leaves. Nests can be found in trees, in bushes, on the ground, or even on the side of cliffs. Nests have a lot of uses. They provide protection from weather, are a comfortable home for baby birds to hatch and grow, and even help the birds to be camouflaged or blended in with their natural surroundings to protect them from predators. Birds have hollow bones, which are different than human bones. This makes most birds light enough to fly when they flap their wings. Each type of bird flies differently. Some flap their wings very quickly. Some only need to flap their wings once or twice before they can soar on the wind for hours, and some cannot fly at all. Some of the birds that cannot fly are penguins, emus, kiwis, nandus, and ostriches. Birds have many different foods they eat. Some birds are herbivores, which means they only eat seeds and plants. Other birds hunt for their food, including worms, fish, and mice. The birds that only eat meat, like eagles, are called carnivores. There are many types of birds. There are songbirds, like the cardinal. Songbirds can be very colorful and spend their day singing a little tune. Nocturnal birds, such as the owl, are only active at night and sleep during the daytime. Tropical birds are usually bright and colorful and can be found in the tropical regions of the world, usually in rainforest climates near the equator. Scavenger birds, like condors and vultures, slowly circle the skies looking for dead animals to eat. Hunter birds, or birds of prey, like the eagle, falcon, or hawk, have sharp beaks, excellent eyesight, and super speed that help them hunt and catch their prey. There are plenty of unusual birds on the planet. Some penguins live in Antarctica and cannot fly. Their feathers are packed very closely together in order to keep them warm in the super cold, snowy climate. Owls can twist their neck around 270 degrees. That's 3/4 of the way around. Hummingbirds are the only type of bird that can fly backwards. This comes in handy as they fly back and forth among flowers, sipping the nectar with their long, straw-like beaks. Peacocks love to show off their amazing tail feathers, which can grow up to 6 feet long. They are also rather noisy birds. They have 11 different types of vocalization, or songs, that they are able to sing. Scientists that study birds are called ornithologists, but they aren't the only ones who study birds. Many people love to go birdwatching as a hobby. The Wright brothers also studied birds to figure out how humans could fly in airplanes. After he finished his explanation about birds, Gala Einstein realized that the only unanswered question left was, why did the chicken cross the road? So now that his chicks have hatched, he decided to give them a class about road safety. It will not answer the question, but it will help his chicks to cross roads safely. Look for the experiment on our website at www.brainopolis.org. And remember, the more you play, the more you learn.